Alright, everybody. As you guys probably heard the sad news already, Kobe Bryant was killed in a helicopter crash at around 10 o'clock Pacific time this morning, so it's been a sad day for everybody involved in sports. Anyways, got 3 packs of Dollarama, 15 cards. These are each $1. So, start with this one right here. Sean Couturier, a shiny one. Alexei Yashin, Tony Herkak, Adam Oates, Andrei Markov, Mark Denis, former Montreal goalie, Pierre-Marc Bouchard, Tom Nemeth, Dino Ciccarelli, Patrick Sundstrom, Roberto Luongo, former Canucks, Gary Suter, Eric Desjardins, also former Montreal Canadiens, Gerald Didick, used to play for the Canucks, and Mark Zidlicki. Alright, that's pack 1 of 3. We'll do this pack next with Brian Boyle on the front. Oh, Brian Boyle, Mike Ridley, Phil Housley, former Winnipeg Jet, Wade Gibson, the Ottawa 67th. That's an old card, man. Chris Joseph, Joe Newendike, Christian Rutu, Vaclav Prospal, Robert Esch. I love these Black Diamond cards, man. They're pretty cool. Zarli Zalapski, this guy's deceased. Passed away, I think, about 2 or 3 years ago. Gaetan Duchesne, Luc Robitaille, Dale Howardchuk, former Winnipeg Jet, Kevin Stevens, and Eric Cole, Rookie Anthology. It's a good set also, boys. Final pack with Samuel Girard on the front. Samuel Girard, Don Maloney, Kevin Dineen, Alexei Cherepanov, Rick DiPietro, Doug Bodger, Bill Guerin, Daniel Marois, Denny Savard, 1,000. Oh, that's when he joined the 1,000 point club, I think, guys. 1,000 points. Brad Shaw, Corey Crawford, pre-rookie card. Christopher Kolanis. Oh, look at that! Look at that, boys. Mark Recchi, from Kamloops, BC, former Montreal Canadiens player. Oh, and a Carey Price card, boys, for the PC. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.